click on the image. At the top, go to Edit. In Magic Studio, scroll to the right until you see Image to Video. So you can either generate a 5-second video, or you can generate a custom video where you put in a prompt and you describe what type of effect you want your video to have. So if I come over to Smart and I first generate a very short video, so you can see here, it has turned this image into a video. And if I like it, I can add this video to my design. And now my image has come to life with this video. If I go back to Magic Studio and go image to video, let's say I want to create something custom now. Let's say I want to have 2 kites flying next to each other. Okay, well, it didn't exactly generate the 2 kites that I wanted, so I can come back over here to generate again. And this one's a little bit better. You can see the second kite appearing later in the video, so I can add this to my design if I'm okay with it. So play around with the custom image to video generator. The more descriptive your prompt is, the better results you'll get. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.